Hello everyone. So in today's video, we'll complete the third challenge of flow fundamental superbadge unit. So just scroll down and after that we'll click on launch. After clicking launch, we'll be landing here. Now here in the quick find box, we'll type flows FLOWS and we'll click on flows. After clicking flows, see here birthday loyalty points update is here, so we'll click on it. And after that you can see here warning, we'll click on this, and here see update record is here, so we'll just drag and drop it. After dragging and dropping, under label we'll write update UPTADE. API name will be taken, and see here we'll click on the second one, which is specify condition to identify records. Then under object we will just type contact, CONTA, and we'll click on this contact. And after that see here condition requirement, this will click on this null. And after that under field we'll just type loyalty LO and we'll click on this loyalty points. And now under values we'll click on this new resource, and here we'll select formula, and after that we will give API name is points, POINTS, and data type we'll give as number. And now come to the place from where we have started our challenge. We'll just scroll up, we will copy this all, and after that we will paste it under enter formula. We'll just paste it, and after that click on check syntax. Once it's valid, now click on done. After that again we'll click on done, and after that we will connect action to update record. See, there is a circle, we'll just drag from there and we'll just drop it. And after that we will click on save as new version, and see here again we'll click on save. Once it's saved, we'll wait for a while. See, now saving is coming. Now it's saved. Now we'll click on activate. Until that, if you like my content, please do like and subscribe to my channel, guys. See, now activate is done. Now we will come to the place from where we have started our challenge, and we'll just click here to earn points. Guys, if you like my content, please do like and subscribe to my channel, guys. If you complete this with 500 points, please like and subscribe to my channel, guys. Otherwise, if you face any error, you just comment it. I'll be following you up as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, guys.